We think it's extra important to show really sustainable solutions in a building that is designated to small children. And we hope that they already from the beginning will learn how to act climate smart.
The local authorities at the city of Gothenburg are serious about cutting down on the city's emissions. This brand new preschool will be opening shortly, ready to house 120 children from the ages of 1 to 5. At first glance, it may look like any other modern building, but this preschool holds the key to future energy-efficient building techniques.
When we create a net zero energy building, the most important thing is to create a building that uses a really small amount of energy, a really energy-efficient building. So we start with the building envelope that is really well isolated and airtight, and we reuse the heat from the ventilation air. It's also important to minimize the heat loss when the children passes in and out from the preschool. When we have this energy efficient building in place, we add energy production to the building, and here we have chosen to put solar cells on the roofs. And we have calculated that the payback time for the solar cells is 20 years. That means that after 20 years we have energy production that is free.
If we walk around from here...
When designing the preschool, it was important that the energy-efficient architecture didn't infringe on the usability of the building.
Here you can't see so much out, but you see the sky and you have the light. In other places you have very low windows where you can go up and sit in the window. If they learn at a very early age that it is possible to make very environment-friendly buildings, then perhaps when they get older, then see it's possible to make such a thing. Some kind of brainwash, you can say. Yes. And a good brainwash it is.
The experiences that the Gothenburg municipalities are gaining from the preschool will be setting the standards for future zero-consumption buildings in the city, and the local municipality have high expectations.
This is a first step, and we will soon start with a school that will actually produce more energy over the year than it uses. But we don't think this is going to be the general norm for all our buildings, but this is for learning which steps to take for all the buildings that we build.